Starting with the body kit, a multi-piece front spoiler integrates directly into the factory front end, widening the stance while fully preserving the standard deployable front spoiler underneath. Aerodynamic front fenders flare out wider, paired with two-piece side skirts and a carbon fiber air intake option. That famous Porsche crest still sits centered on the nose, untouched, letting the rest of the front end do the talking instead. Wheels are the real showpiece. New Formula IX race-forged wheels, developed exclusively for this generation Turbo S, use a motorsport-inspired cross-spoke design running from a center-lock hub out to the rim, with weight-cutting perforations throughout, measuring 20 inches up front and 21 out back. Around the rear, a three-piece diffuser, carbon air outlet trim, a roof spoiler, and a dedicated rear spoiler in carbon fiber or fiberglass composite round things out. For exhaust, buyers pick between a road-legal sports system with more depth and volume or an extreme racing setup that deletes the gasoline particulate filter entirely, with tailpipes in titanium or carbon fiber. Inside, the upholstery team in Leonberg goes practically unlimited. Seats, steering wheel, headliner, center console, even the luggage compartment can all be reworked in leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and painted finishes. It still rides on the factory's Adaptive Sports Seats Plus and Bose surround sound system underneath all that customization, and the 2+2 layout with those small rear seats stays intact. Now the actual headline: engine power. The factory Turbo S makes 701 horsepower and 590 pound-feet from its 3.6-liter twin-turbo flat-six T-hybrid setup, but a new Tektronic power kit pushes that all the way to 811 horsepower and 693 pound-feet, though the extra power only unlocks in Sport and Sport Plus modes. A lowering spring kit drops ride height roughly 30 millimeters, or go height-adjustable front and rear independently, plus a nose lift system that raises the front axle 40 millimeters below 37 miles per hour. On pricing, the factory 911 Turbo S starts at $272,650 in the US. TechArt's full body kit and power package isn't publicly listed at a fixed price. It's quoted per customer through dealers, but expect a comparable build to run well into six figures on top of the base car. So here's the honest question: is this genuinely a better Turbo S, or just a louder, wider version of an already perfect car? Tell me where you land, and I'll catch you in the next breakdown.